And guys, now everything is cut. We have reached one interesting part of preparing lumpia, the spring roll. We just have to mix everything together, put our spices, sesame oil, soya sauce, and the eggs. And of course, with a glass of bubbly. Cheers! Come and join me. Let's cook it. And let's give it a go. Soya sauce. Sesame oil. As you can see, I'm not using measurement here. I'm using my eyes and my nose. 2 eggs. Salt. Crushed coriander seeds. A pinch. Some spices extra with a bit of chili. It's an option. And fresh coriander, fresh parsley, smelling so good. That's it, and let's work on it. So it was settling in the fridge for a while, covered with a cling film. And we have 1 egg. It will serve as our, that's my friend. Hello. So, just to break the egg, it will be our glue, sort of. Prepare everything. So it will be smoothly flowing, the wrapping system. Let's start. So there it goes. Our chunky lumpia is done. Really chunky. I really peeled it up. I used all the meat, 800 grams, and all the vegetable in it, spices. I was able to make 28 pieces. Half, maybe more, will go to the freezer. Just wrap it well with the cling film in portions, so when you're in the mood for spring rolls, it's ready to go. Just heat up you don't even have to defrost it when it's frozen. Heat the oil and straight to the pan. There it goes. You can make a version of like vegetable. You don't have to, if you're a vegetarian, mix of vegetables and roll it up. Guys, believe you me, nothing will beat your own made spring rolls. Lumpia in Tagalog, in Filipino. Kevätrulla in Finnish. Do try this recipe, it's worth it, and it's not that complicated. And if you tried, please leave your comment below and let me know, tag me. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please do. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video. And bye for now. Enjoy your day.